Tired of your messy room showing up in every Webex meeting? In 60 seconds, I will show you exactly how to blur it out or replace it with a professional background. No more feeling embarrassed or unprofessional. Just a clean, focused look that keeps the attention on you. So here is the plan. First, make sure you are signed in and inside a meeting. Then we will walk through the camera and video settings to get that new background applied. It is really straightforward once you know where to click. Start by signing into your Webex account. This is the same account you use for all your meetings. Just log in like you normally would. Once you are signed in, go ahead and start a new meeting or join one you have been invited to. It does not matter which. The settings work the same way for both. Now, make sure your camera is on. Click the Start Video button in the bottom toolbar. If it is already on, you will see a Stop Video button instead. That is fine. We just need the video feed active. And here is the key step. Look for the small arrow next to the Stop Video button. It is a little drop-down arrow. Click that. A menu will pop up with several options. Scroll down in that menu until you see the section labeled Virtual Background. This is where all the magic happens. In my experience testing this across different versions of Webex, this menu is always in the same spot, so you can count on it. In the Virtual Background section, you have three main choices. You can select None, which just shows your real background as is. You can select Blur, which softly blurs everything behind you. Or you can pick one of the available virtual backgrounds Webex provides. There are a few preloaded options, like a nice office or a beach scene. Click your preferred background to apply it immediately. You will see the change happen right away in the preview window. It takes effect instantly, so there is no waiting around. Take a moment to preview your camera and confirm the new background looks correct. Move your head a little or lean forward. The software tracks your movement and keeps the background stable. If it looks good, you are all set. Close the background settings menu by clicking anywhere outside of it or pressing the X if there is one. Your virtual background is now applied and ready to go. To be sure, test it in the meeting environment. Move slightly. Wave your hand. See if the background holds up without glitching. Usually it works perfectly, but a quick test gives you confidence. Now, if it does not work right away, here's a troubleshooting tip. Check your system requirements. Webex needs a reasonably modern computer for the virtual background feature. If your machine is older or if you have poor lighting, it might struggle. Make sure you have good, even light on your face, and avoid sitting with a bright window behind you because that confuses the camera. That is it. You have gone from a distracting, cluttered background to a clean, professional look that keeps the focus right where it belongs, on you and what you are saying.